Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to another MongoDB tutorial. In this particular video, we will learn one of the most coolest feature of MongoDB, which is text search, right? So text search allow us to search for the word or phrase inside the string field, right? Which is very similar to how you do the search keyword in Google, right? It is same like that. So we will do this practical with the help of our student collection. Let me show you. So this is our school DB database and this is student collection, and here are our documents. So we are having some 6 documents where the fields are name, city and the marks, in which name and the city are your string fields, right? On which we can do the text search. Fine. Yeah, so for doing the text search, one of the most important thing which is required is your text index, right? Text index is very important. So what is this text index? Well, text index tells the MongoDB that which field should be searchable by the keyword that you give, right? So it tells the MongoDB that which field should be searchable for the keyword that the user is giving, right? So we can create the text index on either on the one field or more than one field, right? The number of fields that you put, the what it will do, it will simply tell the MongoDB that you do the searching on these fields only, right? So let's first create the text index. So for that purpose, just simply write db.students dot create index like this bracket, and inside of this let's write the name as your text, right? Like this. Fine. When you press enter, you can check the name text is now created as the index, right? So what it is doing, that this means that MongoDB will now allow the text search that you will do only on the name field, right? There is another field which is city, right? But it will not make this search on the city field. It will only search on the basis of this name field, right? So yeah, like this. Now if you want to like include this city also, so it is very simple. Just write the comma here and write the another field name which is city, and just write text like this. Press enter. Okay, so it already we were having the index on this name field, right? That's why it is showing me the error. So what I will do is that I will just drop the index, yeah, and we'll just call it, and yeah, it is created now. Name text, city text. So our index is created, right? Let's clear the screen. Now since I have created the index on the two field, so what it will do, it will now MongoDB will look for your search term in both the fields, right? Name and the city both. So let's just perform a basic text search. So let's say that I want to perform a text search where we use the okay, it is very important concept that we use this text operator with this dollar search keyword for the text search, right? These two things are very much important. These two things are required, right? So we will understand that. So let's say that I write here db dot students dot find, and I want to get all the document by searching that uh, Delhi, right? I want to get all the documents where it is having Delhi as their text, right, in the document. So we don't know the name of the field, but we have already set the index of this name and city. So it will do what? It will search for the text that we are going to give, which is Delhi, inside this either Delhi in the city or in the name, right? In every document. Fine. So just write here dollar text, put a curly bracket, and then dollar search, the search keyword, and Delhi like this. Fine. When you press enter, you can check. You got all the document where the search text, which is your Delhi, was present, right? So you have searched for this Delhi, and both these documents are having Delhi present. You can check, right? So this is how we do it. Now if you want to search for one or more keywords, right? I want that give me all the document where the keywords are Delhi and the Mumbai both, right? So just put Delhi and then write the name of the second field, which is let's say Mumbai, right? And when you press enter, you can check you got the Delhi, and then the Mumbai field also, right? So these three documents got printed. Let's clear it. And if you want to exclude, you can simply just do one thing, that you put the minus before of that. So if you just want that give me all the document, but excluding Mumbai, right? Give me okay, wait, like this. So what it will do, it will not give any of the document. And if I do it like this way, so what it is doing, that it is excluding the document, which is having this Mumbai as a keyword, right? So let's just press enter. You can check we got the document, but not the document with the Mumbai, right? So this was just a concept which is required to understand, and this is how we do it, right? If you want to see all the indexes that we created, so just write here db dot students dot get indexes. Press enter. You can check the first one, which is default on the ID, and the second one is on your what, the this the name is name text city text, right? Which waits on the city and the name. Got it? That's it. So this is how we do the text search in our MongoDB. I hope you understood the concept. You have understood that how we create the text index and how we do the searching with the help of the text index and the text operator and the search keyword, right? So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.